Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the most popular AI 3D images on your PC and your mobile. So I'm going to show you the tutorial on my PC, but you can follow the same method on your mobile also. Okay, let's begin. To do that, you only need Discord app. I guess everyone knows that. If not, I have given the download link in the description. Go and download it. After that, open Google, search MidJourney. Also link in the description. Go to the first link. From here, click join beta. After that, you have to join to their Discord server. From here only you can generate your images. From here, click any channel name called newbies. Click on it. Upload your picture. After that, click on your picture, right click it, copy link. Now in the chat box, type the following command: /imagine, press enter. Inside of this prompt, paste the link we have copied before. Now space. Now give the command as cartoon high detail 3D space \v space 4. Now press enter. It will take a moment to generate. Here you go, your picture is ready. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.